This is die. Die is the verb. Now, demise or pass away. Die. So, with this particular verb form die, we can use various prepositions to give various contextual meanings or various different meanings. Let us see. If we say die for, die for, that means we can write a sentence, I can die for my country. I can die for my country. So here we have used preposition for. It means for a good cause, for a noble cause, or for something, for some reasons, I can die or I am ready to die. Now, die in. Die in. Here is for, now here is in. Die in. It may refer to, in after die may be used to refer to a particular place or a particular incident. For example, he died in the battle. He died in the battle. Here, in refers to the particular place or incident, battle. Die off. Die off. It is particularly used in case of death occurred due to diseases, like she died of malaria. She died of malaria. That means malaria is a disease, and death caused in a disease that must be expressed in the form of preposition of after the form or from die. So you can write so many sentences using this particular form, like the man died of cholera, the man died of pneumonia, the man died of cancer, like that. For any disease, we must use preposition of after die. No other preposition will be appropriate to give the meaning of death occurred due to diseases. So, die from. So see, here die from means something different again from all the other examples. Here from is used after die to give the meaning of that occurs due to some unnatural or some peculiar causes, like he died from overeating. He died from overeating, or he died from overstress. So normally what happens? People do not die for overeating. Overeating, that may cause some troubles in the body, but situationally it's so rare that we get some information of death occurred due to overeating. But when that occurs due to overeating, that becomes as a kind of unnatural or very rare type of case. So in that particular point we can use from, and he died from over eating. See, now let us sum up today's class. We have some examples of die for, die in, die of, die from. We have the same verb from die, but we are changing the prepositions each to give a different meaning. No, so in the first sentence we have the meaning which is different from the meaning in the second sentence, and similarly in the third sentence and fourth sentence. Why does it happen? Because preposition plays a very important role to give situational expressions in English language. We know it very well, I hope, and you too, that English is the richest language in the world, and it is the world's communicative language. English is the language of world communication, information and communication technology. It is the link language in the world, and it is the library language, and English is the international language of trade and commerce. It is the language of court, office, and all matters. So English is very interesting because it has so many things which, if we can get the minimum ideas, we shouldn't fear the English language, because it is so beautiful language, and if you properly use the right or appropriate preposition after the verb forms, you can express yourself very well, and there is least possibility of making mistakes. So today we have discussed on the appropriate prepositions. These are some of the examples. We will discuss in more details in our next classes. So keep watching Missamari Higher Secondary School YouTube channel, and we will welcome you to this channel always for academic development. And don't forget to subscribe this channel, ask or request or invite your friends and the people of your reach to subscribe if you like the channel, and keep sharing. So till then, goodbye.